Oh yeah, I gotta say, I said, passé, passé. Una gotta respect our quality, qual. Welcome to the broadcast. The universe. This is proof that the body is a spaceship, and I'm gonna tell you how. How in the universe we're known as the atom. When we come into the material world, in the physical world, we receive a name and a body and a social security code to identify ourselves here while we are in the material plane. This body is only used in the material plane. Beyond the material plane, in the astral plane, in the celestial plane, okay, you have other means of transportation. That other means of transportation is called the star tetrahedron. The star tetrahedron moves by what you see now as, before this becomes the star tetrahedron. In the daytime, your body is operated with this. It has the coronal plane, the horizontal plane, the sagittal plane, the median plane, the parasagittal plane. All right. Now, when the when the body becomes to rest, the soul, okay, enters the star tetrahedron. The star tetrahedron is where the soul enters the body and becomes a star. In the daytime, this is what happens to your star, becomes the sun. At night, the moon is separated from the star, like your soul is separated from your body, and then becomes adjacent to the moon. The star becomes adjacent to the moon. All right. Now your star has to be activated. How it's activated? By dimensions. Okay, the higher you go, the first seven are the first chakras. Beyond that, it keeps repeating itself from 1 to 7, 1 to 7, 1 to 7. But actually, it's 13. Geometric only in harmonics is what this is called. Once you activate your star tetrahedron by your kundalini, you become and you get level. This is the map of the universe and its hierarchy, and is structured by angels, okay, ordered by cosmic planes. So as you see, the star tetrahedrons are normal in the ordered in the number of 7. All right, seven meaning your 7 chakras, as you see, located above the supreme being. There's 7 star tetrahedrons, okay, which is the 7 councils divided by into 7 into the planes, which is your frequency domain. All right. Once you start astral traveling, you become to what's the standard periodic. You have what's then called the standard model of electrical particles. As you see at the top, you have your quarks, your leptons, and your solar bosons. All right. These are important because the tau is located in your leptons. Now, the tau is accessible, which is a part of the universe, which is your manifestation. This is also another version of the model. As you see, the letter C is also in the geometric harmonic scale, which is your dimensions that we saw in the previous photo. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, E. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, E. These numbers, as you see, are located by sounds. So sounds and frequencies are raised with your harmonics by the mantras, which is Lam and Vam. Lam, Vam, and so on. Now here we have the periodic table, which is only usable within the material universe. Visualization takes place because these are the molecules that make up matter. The periodic table is what you visualize while you're in the material world, and then you use the other model, which is the standard model of particles, and then that is quantum. So now here we have, the model of the tau, which are 7 phases of life, which is the law of attraction and other laws that you see listed below. The tau, if you look back at the standard periodic elementary model, which is in quantum, the tau, this is how you accessible the tau, and this is what each one of the tau is if you look into it and research it. The standard model of elementary particles, and then you have the model of the tau, so you connect it to it and you have the complete